So, we flying through the little telly right quick. We about to go check out the, yeah, you want to go to the Wi-Fi room? Hey. Little nigga crazy. He just keep on twirling and shit. Let me see. This one. Yeah. It's okay, yeah. Watch your hands. This nigga just put 3 in lower level. Yo, man, it's the elevator scene. You already know, man. The day's not over. Come on, brother. The day's not over. Now people about to check in. Niggas checking in while your nigga checking out. Go up in my little private area room, like, you gotta be a boss to get access codes and cards, feel me? Check your boy out. Access granted. Feel me? Come on. Take you to my little private office and shit where niggas like to conduct business. Cause I'm a businessman. Stay out my business, man. You know what I'm saying? Ashkamini, pop shots at the baby. You hear me? Alright. Yo. P. Fresh. Casper. Fuck y'all niggas doing? Dope. YG. Lil Rock. You know. All the homies, man. Fuck is y'all niggas up to, man? You know me. I'm an internet nigga now. You know what I mean? I bees all over this shit. You know what I'm saying? I check out my mail. I check out, you know what I'm saying, where I'm about to get my next buck from. You know what I'm saying? Because shit is wavy, like, but it's also crazy. Nigga say crazy. Shit is wavy, but it's also crazy because I'm from the 80s. Like, that perk got my tongue all slow. More or less, nonetheless, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? Prime time. Showtime is dope time. You already know. Yo, speaking of which, yo, shout to Gucci, man. Oh, shit. That sound like I said shout to Gucci, man. Yeah, shout to Gucci, man, and Gucci, man. Because that cologne, shit smells exquisite. No doubt. What else I had to... Yo, man, I'm so not here right quick that I might got to check back in with you. Get myself together and shit. So give me about an hour. I'm going to get this shit under control. I feel like I'm off this G and shit. But I'm going to get myself something, you know what I'm saying? And, plus, you know what I mean, I got to call my wife. I'm about to call my wife, matter of fact. You know what I mean? Niggas know I'm engaged and shit now. So, I'm about to call my wife, you know what I mean? I don't want to have a worry and shit, you know what I mean? I'm all the way on the west and shit, you know what I'm saying? Yo, man, I told y'all niggas I'm on the west, bruh. Alright. Alright. Hit you right back. Check back in with y'all niggas, man. Know that. Yeah, Mark. You ain't got nothing to tell niggas?